And what you see here on the left is basically a slide from our friends at Toyota Research that were runner-up at the joint COCO and Mapillary workshop that we held at ECCV last year. And they, I don't know who speaks German here, but it says, "I don't love PQ." So it was a resemblance on the Munich location probably. And people from Google who announced and worked on the DeeperLab project were actually also raising concerns about the PQ metric. We've had the same concerns, and this is something, an image that actually illustrates where the metric has issues. So what you can see here is basically all the bolder colors show where the prediction was actually correct. And the ones that are lighter, you see this is where the model had issues. And we see from a look at this picture, it actually would suggest that the sidewalk here has a lot of issues, while actually it's the poles that are below 0.5 in terms of IOU with the ground truth, and also the traffic lights in the back are below 0.5. But the PQ metric actually doesn't care about instances. What it does, it says every single class or instance is a segment. And this holds true also for the stuff segments. So basically everything that is a road, which is like all of this block, but also all of that block, so they don't have to be sort of connected, that all forms a single segment. And if you match the single segment according to the PQ metric requires to have an overlap of at most 50%, so actually more, because then you can make a one-to-one assignment between the segments. And this is a very, very strict kind of constraint that's being imposed on the stuff segments. It makes a lot of sense for the thing segments, so for the individual objects that, where you have instance-specific segmentation results, but it's too strict on the stuff class. And that's something that we agree with other people that also said that this is basically not an appropriate way of assessing this. So we are proposing this variant, this alternative, that we will talk more at the poster. So I'm not going into details here, but it's also a very simple solution. Okay, and that brings me to my last slide. So today I had the pleasure to talk to you about the kind of object recognition algorithms and methods that we're taking at Mapillary Research. And for us, it's paramount to have good and well working methods from a theoretical point of view and also from a, let's say, engineering perspective that we can use in order to extract the map data and map information that we all care about. We're trying to be at the top in terms of object recognition algorithms. We're trying to compete in challenges. We're releasing a lot of the code that we have, a lot of the papers. And we encourage everyone to take advantage of this by looking at it and either using our code if the license allows to, or if the paper can be sort of re-implemented. I was briefly touching the semantic segmentation and 3D object detection. I could talk a lot longer about this.